It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 3-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.